Hey guys, it's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this 2016 Street Glide Special in Vivid Black. We recently did about $950 worth of work during the Dyno Certification. Wilkins completed the 10K service, even though there's only 7,900 miles on it. The 10K service is a pretty extensive one. They'll go through, change all the fluids, check the critical fasteners for torque, proper torque, change the spark plugs, for example. Being that it's 2 years old, we've also flushed the brake fluid per Harley-Davidson specifications. We put these motorcycles on our in-house dyno. We run it through its paces in a controlled environment and make sure there's no weird sounds in the transmission or abnormal engine sounds. We do have a printout of the dyno sheet. If you prefer to see that, just check the website. On to some of the specific features of this bike. The Street Glide has been one of the best-selling touring bikes in the nation for the past 10 years and plus, decade or more. This particular one does have the Project Rushmore changes because it's a 2016 fairing vent, 6.5 GT radio infotainment system here. GPS is a standard feature, Bluetooth is a standard feature. There's a USB port here, which is a standard feature on the Street Glide Specials. This particular model does have ABS braking system and security, primarily all in its stock configuration, which is fairly rare in the Street Glides. A lot of people take Street Glides and customize them to some degree. Another favorite feature of mine on this style bike is the one-touch saddlebag lids, an upgrade in 2014 that came through. It is a twin cam 103 cubic inch motor, a 6-speed transmission. If you have any questions, give us a call or swing down and check out this bike in person. Again, Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, 802-476-6104.